Okay, so we have whipped our butter until it's nice and white, and it's going to be nice and creamy, and we're using our whisk attachment because we don't care how much air we put into it. We don't care about the bubbles because it's just going on cupcakes. So we're going to whip this for a little while longer until it's all nice and white, and then we'll add the icing sugar, and then I'll meet you back. Okay, so we've been whipping the butter and the sugar, and we put a couple tablespoons, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and it's nice and creamy. Let me see if I can show you. It's nice and creamy and ready to go, but we don't have a flavor, so this is where the fun part comes in. We have some vanilla bean paste, and we are going to put 2 teaspoons of this vanilla bean paste, and it has all the specks, and it's going to be delicious. So we're just going to mix that in. And it is going to turn it maybe a little off-white, but it doesn't matter because it's going to be vanilla-y. We're going to mix this for a minute. So we're going to take that off and give it a mixture. And you can actually see all of the dark specks of the vanilla. And of course we're going to taste it, and we might need a little more. You know, I want it to taste like vanilla ice cream, so I'm going to put, actually I'm going to put 2 more. And it's going to be just like a real apple pie with vanilla ice cream, real vanilla ice cream. Tastes like vanilla ice cream. Delicious. So now we're going to get ready to put together our cupcakes. So we're all done with our nice vanilla buttercream, and we have everything here. We have our apple pie filling, we have our vanilla buttercream, we have our cupcakes, applesauce spice cupcakes, and we have our crumb topping. And so now we're just gonna put it all together. So you are definitely gonna want to try this. It is delicious. And let's look at that filling. Yummy. I'm trying to see it myself. It is delicious. Oh my gosh.